Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My garden is full of aromatic herbs. My grandfather loves gardening and I love helping him with the activities. We have grown various types of plants in our garden. Most of these are herbs such as aloe vera, basil mint, coriander, curry plant, and lemongrass. This helps in two ways. It adds to the beauty of the house and also provides natural herbs that offer so many health benefits. My morning begins in my garden. As I wake up, the first thing I do is it to head straight to my garden. It is the best way to begin my day. I just love the essences of this place. My grandfather is already in breath for around 15 minutes, and then have I look at the various plants around the garden. The sight is extremely refreshing. I being with my daily tasks only after spending around a half hour in my garden. And gardening is a good hobby, and I often go out with my friends in the evening after my tuition classes. It gives me respite after a long day at school and coaching institute. We go to the nearby market to have some evening snacks and chit chat for a while before heading home. While I do like look forward to this time every my place, I love spending of the evening hours in my garden all the more. Many a time I call my friends to my place. We visit in the garden